just had a brilliant idea. Let's make sand sculptures. Oh, wow. I'd love to join in. We need to tip out the sand first. Let's get mucky. Oh, you two are doing a fantastic job there. I can't wait to rock and roll. No, Rolly! You flattened it all. You have made some nice patterns, though.
Muck, can we build it?
Yes, we can. Muck to the rescue. It's very soft, this sand, and really good to work with. Great work, Muck. Let's make patterns in the sand, team. You first, Muck. Now you, Scoop. Wow, that looks brilliant. OK, team, break time. Come on, team. Look at this mess.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can. Scoop, can you pick it up and get it into those barrels? No prob, Bob. Muck, 2-ton, can you take them over there? Muck to the rescue, Bob. You can depend on me, Bob. Dizzy, you mix up some cement and we'll get this road level again. Brilliant! Right, great work, everyone. Time for tea. It's very quiet around here. Come on, Lofty. It's okay. Don't be shy. What's in these barrels? Whoa, sand! Let's play! Muck! Oh no! What a mess! Please can we play, Scoop? It looks so much fun! OK then, just for a little while.
Come on, let's get lifting! Can we fix it? Yes, we can!
Oh, sculptures! The mess.
Roll your mouse over the screen and click on the top right-hand corner for more information.